In this video, you will learn how to use Sold Transaction Report. Let's say that you are applying for a personal loan and the lender needs to know your net and gross commissions. Or you are preparing for your year-end taxes and you need to know this information for your tax accountant. The Sold Transaction Report is your new best friend. To use the report properly and to its fullest, you will need to maintain the Closing MLS Info feature within each transaction to get an accurate, more detailed report. You will also need to place the transaction in a sold status so that the transaction will populate to the report. For more information on the Closing MLS Info feature and the Sold Status feature, you will want to view the video help tutorials, Closing MLS Info, and Change the Status of a Transaction. To begin, from your main screen, click on Reports, located on the right-hand dashboard. A window will open with the report's period and type. Select your dates that you want. This can be for the month, a year, 2 years, etc. In this example, we are going to select for the year. Select the Sold Transactions radio button and click Create Report. Your report will open for you. Let's go over the details of the report. Remember, this report is only as accurate as your Closing MLS Info feature for a specific transaction, and the transaction status must be in a sold status. If you don't find the transaction on this report, you need to change the transaction status to sold and reprocess your report. The first 2 columns on the report is the closing date and the property address. The next 4 columns are your listing transactions and your buyer transactions. The sold price shows the amount that the property sold for, with the total of each column at the bottom. Listing associate and sale associate will only show your name, as this is your account and your transaction totals. The next column is your total sold price. This includes your listings and your sales. The gross column is your gross commission for each transaction. The net column is what you net after any additional fees such as photography, office fees, pamphlets, home warranty, anything that you paid that affected your net commission for the specific transaction. From here you can save the document to your device so that you can email it or upload it, etc. All the information on this report pulls from the Closing MLS Info feature within a specific transaction. If the information is properly updated for each transaction in the Closing MLS Info and each closed transaction is in a sold status, you have your numbers at your fingertips in a moment's notice. The Sold Transaction Report will help you save time.